What's up, YouTube? We're here at another Airbnb, and my wife Melanie has been here doing some cleaning up of the flower beds, not necessarily on Sasquatch's behalf, but we just wanted to show off what she had done, and we're going to add a few things. We brought some driftwood that we've had laying around and some pretty neat river rocks, so we're going to get that put in and see if we can't make it just a little bit more special. What this is going to do is the rain comes off of here, instead of making a hole like from before, it'll splash off these rocks and kind of disperse it more. It won't be such a concentrated spout of water, I guess you would say. I said we had these laying around the house, all these. We actually dug them up out of our yard. That was a piece of driftwood out of the river, and it adds a little bit of extra. You know, it looked great before, but Melanie had the idea of going a little further, and it looked great. Looks great. What do y'all think? That add a little pizzazz? We're gonna let her do her thing on it, because you fellers know them women folk in particular sometimes, and that's fine with me. I'm just the muscle. I'm just the big guy. There we go. And I've told YouTube that you're probably gonna make adjustments to this, so I'm just the muscle.
Remember, I saw it draining off the other day, and I think it was hitting like here.
Okay.
Kind of where I was thinking to kind of.
So we just scooted a little further over.
Yeah, and maybe you want to angle that up into it, maybe? Or keep it there, because it is hitting in that